In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and test the correct microphone in Zoom effectively. This can be a crucial step for ensuring that your audio is clear during meetings, whether you're presenting to a large audience or catching up with friends. Let's dive right in and make sure your mic is set up perfectly. To begin, you'll want to open your Zoom application. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner where you should see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Clicking on this will take you straight into the settings menu, a place where you can adjust various options for a smoother Zoom experience. Now let's focus on the audio settings. In the sidebar on your left, you'll see an option labeled Audio. Give that a click and your screen will display audio options for both your speaker and microphone. Our focus today will be on ensuring your microphone is correctly set up, so take a look at the microphone section. You'll find a drop-down menu that lists all of the microphone devices connected to your computer. This could include your computer's built-in mic, any USB microphones, or perhaps even a headset that you've plugged in. It's important to select the one you intend to use for your meetings. Carefully select it from the list, and once that's done, we're ready for the next crucial step, testing the mic. Underneath the microphone selection, you should see a test bar labeled Input Level. Whenever you speak, this bar should move to indicate that your voice is being picked up by the microphone. So go ahead, test it out by having a short chat. You might say something like, "Testing 1, 2, 3," while watching the bar. If you notice the input level bar isn't moving, it's a clear sign that Zoom might not be picking up sound from your desired microphone. In such cases, double check that you've selected the right device from the drop-down menu. Sometimes a small cable or connection issue might be at play, so it's always wise to make sure everything is plugged in securely. Remember, having the correct microphone selected and tested ensures you'll come across clearly in your calls, making communication as seamless as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your microphone is set correctly in Zoom. It's a simple but essential setup that can greatly enhance your communication in virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps keep your meetings running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.